Hey, what's up guys? Just back with a quick video on how to remove headlights on an Acura RSX between years 02 and 06. I'm pretty sure they're all the same, but these ones are from the 02 to 04s. You can tell because it has like a wave. So what you're gonna need is a 3/8 socket, as many extensions as possible, and then a 10mm socket. So what you're gonna do is here, let me focus this. There's one 10mm right here. There's another 10mm right here. There's one more 10mm over here on the side, and then right under this is the support. So right under this support, if you look all the way through, there is another 10mm all the way in the back. It's over in there. You can't really see it from this angle, but there's a 10mm over there, and that's why you're gonna need as many extensions as possible to stick it in. Yeah, so once you take all those out, pretty much the headlight will pop out. And that one is kind of hard to pop out sometimes. But once you're able to take that one out, and these two over here, and then this one. It's hard to do this one with one hand, but then also this side one, this one right here. So that one's out. This one out. And then this one, and then it's just the long one, and the headlight pretty much comes out right after, and then you just have to unplug everything, and then boom, the headlight is out. So once this one comes out, just fell out, then the headlight should come out. Just gotta wiggle it around a bit. Sometimes you need to unhook the DRL, the daytime running light, or yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the daytime running light, because it'll hold it in place. This one's a pain to take out sometimes. So yeah, once that one's out, then the entire unit comes out just like that, and then you just gotta unplug everything, and then you have yourself a headlight, and you just repeat the same thing on the other side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time.